In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup elements in Canva. Ungrouping elements is really useful when you're working with designs that come in as a single grouped object, but you want to edit or move each part separately. Maybe you downloaded a template, or you grouped items earlier for easier alignment. Now you've changed your mind and want more control. That's where ungrouping comes in, and it only takes a couple of clicks. First, make sure you're inside your Canva design with the elements you want to ungroup already on the canvas. Look for the grouped object you want to work with. You'll know it's grouped if, when you click on it, several items highlight together and move as one. To start, click once on the grouped elements to select them. You should see a bounding box or outline appear around all of the items together. If for some reason only one part is selected, try clicking a little outside the main image, or drag your mouse to create a selection box that covers the entire group. The key here is that all the elements you want to separate are selected at the same time. Once you have the group selected, look at the toolbar that appears either above the design or just above the selection. You should see an option that says Ungroup. This button only appears when Canva recognizes that the selected object is a group, so if you don't see it, double check that multiple elements are actually selected and grouped. Go ahead and click the Ungroup button. As soon as you do this, Canva will break that group apart into individual elements. The bounding box may change, and now if you click on different parts of the design, you'll notice you can move each one independently. At this point, try clicking and dragging one element away from the others to confirm that the ungrouping worked. You can now resize, rotate, delete, or edit each piece on its own without affecting the rest. If you ever decide you want them to move together again, you can simply select all the elements you want and then click Group to put them back into a single group. And that's it. By selecting the grouped elements and clicking the Ungroup button, you can quickly separate items in your Canva design and customize every part exactly the way you want.